The art of loading a motorcycle. Alright, as we see, this pavement right here is flat. So if I load the motorcycle straight on to my car on the flat pavement, it's going to be at a different incline than it is now, right? So you want to find you an area with just a little bit of incline so you can take that bad boy straight up in there. You see what I'm saying? It's going to go, no problem. I can walk that thing in there. You just want to find you an incline. Even if it's just something like this curb, you know, if you were able to back up to this curb right here, find your little curb like this. I'm right here. I'm right here at Santa Barbara City College, but I'm loading my motorcycle up.